This is Bree getting her dimples dermaled.
I want you to go ahead and take some nice deep breaths in through your nose, out through your mouth. Continue that breathing pattern for me.
Oh shit. Oh, that's good. Not as bad as I thought it'd be, but it still sucked. Oh fuck.
You're okay.
Oh man, that was horrible. Oh shit. That was a lot faster than I thought it was gonna be though.
Yeah, with all the videos we watched.
I know, girl. These people take so long. I love how you go like around and show me your contractions.
I like contractions. A few more nice deep breaths in through your nose, out through your mouth. Continue
Oh
that
shit!
breathing pattern.
Fuck my life! Oh, it's horrible!
You're okay.
Your life is horrible?
No, that was horrible! Oh shit! Ah, fuck my life! Oh man!
You got this.
Oh god! I don't even know, like, that was really fast.
Mm-hmm.
I thought that was gonna take so much longer.
That looks really good.
Or you can say, oh, Lord.
Alright, if you want, you can go ahead and sit up nice and slow here.
Sit up.
Yeah, I just want to make sure I don't have to go in and readjust them or anything.
All the way, okay, whatever you like.
Just, if you sit up on your knees and then just like you're standing up, I just want to